Monetize your mobile app and generate revenue through in-app ads by integrating Admob with Appilix. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of seamlessly integrating Admob, Google's powerful mobile advertising platform, with your Appilix-powered app. To connect Admob, you will need Admob application ID and banner ad unit ID, and both of them can be found on your Admob account. Let's quickly create an Admob app. Next, you will have to create an ad unit. Choose banner type ad, as Appilix now supports banner ads only. Other types of ad units will be supported in the future. Enter a name for your ad unit and click the Create Ad Unit button. Then you will find your Admob application ID and banner ad unit ID and copy those to Appilix. That's the end of our Admob integration, and we are ready to build the app. Once the app building is done, we can now try installing the app on a device and test if the ads are displaying or not. If your ads are not showing in the app, don't worry. According to Google, you may have to wait up to 1 hour. In some cases, it can take a few days for ads to appear in new app. You can still publish the app, and when Admob starts showing ads, it will be automatically displayed to your app users.